Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Kellyanne Class.
Well, you may have gotten away this weekend with not allowing that AC to be turned on, but you're certainly going to need it by today and over the next few days as we're tracking well above average temperatures all the way through about midweek. And we're already feeling that warmer weather early this morning as temperatures are now 12 degrees above our temperatures from this time yesterday across the region. And you're certainly feeling that mild air as well. Temperatures right now are into the 50s, even a few 60 degrees in Gale, but 59 degrees here in Lubbock, though it's chilly 46 degrees to start off in Clovis. Now winds are out of the south. That's ushering in that warm and also a little bit more of that moisture in the air as well. By this afternoon, they'll turn to the southwest, giving us a little bit more dry conditions, but that will still allow for the clouds to stick around. Usually when we get that southwesterly wind or westerly wind, it's usually associated with mostly sunny conditions, but we're keeping those overcast skies throughout much of the afternoon, and temperatures will be into the mid 70s by later on today. And then a dry line will sweep on through, and that'll give us a few isolated rain chances by late this morning and early afternoon, maybe even a few rumbles of thunder. But this morning we are waking up to overcast conditions and dry conditions, though we are watching an area off to our extreme southwest to develop a few light showers that are now dissipating, also experiencing a few areas some patchy fog off to our northwest. Now by later on this morning and early afternoon, a few isolated showers are certainly possible, but when that dry line pushes on through, it'll develop a few more isolated showers and maybe a few rumbles of thunder by late this morning, early afternoon, with the pockets of heavier downpours, but really though not expecting a lot of widespread rainfall activity or severe weather activity. Maybe a few lingering showers by late this afternoon and early evening. Otherwise, we're going to be dry throughout much of the day today. If you do have to be out today, keep that umbrella on hand just in case. Otherwise, not experiencing a lot of widespread precipitation. Now, anything that develops by later on this afternoon, not expected to be severe, though don't be surprised if you do hear a few rumbles of thunder. We are in a general thunderstorm category, but that severe weather activity will be kept very limited. That's all thanks to those overcast conditions. Usually when we talk about the dry line, it is associated with some severe weather, but those clouds really inhibiting that instability to develop by later today, which means really not going to be expecting a lot of severe weather potential. This afternoon, though, we will reach the mid 70s above our average of about 72 degrees. We'll keep a southwesterly wind sustained at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. The nice thing about this 7-day forecast, not really a lot of windy conditions over the next few days. And in fact, really just a slight wind at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. And we get even warmer by tomorrow. We keep the breezy conditions around. Temperature is rising up into the mid to upper 80s all the way through about Wednesday. Then a cold front will sweep through, dropping our temperatures into the mid 60s, bringing back a few isolated rain showers by Thursday, maybe even a few rumbles of thunder, but not expecting a lot of severe weather activity. Otherwise, those mid 60s stay around for Friday as well. Good one to open up your windows, get some fresh air, but then those warmer conditions return by Saturday and Sunday.